Attention! If you or anyone in your family have credit problems preventing you from buying a new car, please listen closely to the following announcement. Don Herring Mitsubishi in Plano, Irving, and Dallas is hosting a credit amnesty event for consumers who meet certain minimum criteria. If you have a job making $500 per week, Don Herring Mitsubishi can approve your credit. We have local and national lenders on site with specific programs to help you, so you can drive home a new Mitsubishi today with a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty, like a new 2019 Mirage from just $11,990. That's a brand new car for under $12,000. So ask yourself, do you have a job? Do you make $500 per week? Do you want a new Mitsubishi? Then get to the Credit Amnesty event at Don Herring Mitsubishi in Plano, Irving, and Dallas. Get pre-approved now at donherring.com.
We want to see you in a Mitsu.
Plus tax tag, doc fee, and license. All factory rebates applied. Credit affects down payment and approval terms. Offers don't combine.